All right, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So for analysis for next week pair, um, we do have AUD cat. AUD cat weekly is bearish. This is higher high. We shift on this structure point right here. So this is a lower low, potential lower high. Weekly candlestick close bearish, so we are anticipating that the market will have a week pullback to continue to downside. Daily time frame. Daily time frame, we do have bearish as well. We do have area of interest. We do have one, two, three, four touch right here. So next week we will anticipating that the daily time frame will have a daily week pullback, and together is the 4 hour will retest this previous structure point right here. Then once it got retest, we were waiting for our entry signal. Euro USD, we do have weekly time frame bearish. We are retesting the area of interest around this side together with brown psychological level. So what are we waiting on this pair? Next week will be sorry, we are weekly, right? Weekly indecision candle. So we're still on the bullish, but we could see the price action is continue to go down. So the daily time frame have very nice um market structure of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This is potential lower high. So what are we waiting on this Euro USD is to making it sure that the 4 hour shift of structure. Once the 4 hour shift, then if we have a pullback, then we will continue to go to the downside. So the daily outlook will be if the 4 hour close or if the 4 hour shift, let's say this is the scenario, so your daily will be looking around like this, the daily bearish, right? So what are we waiting, right? So if the 4 hour shift and then the daily is close around like this bearish, so what are we anticipating on the lower time frame of the 4 hour is to having a shift of structure to be bullish on lower time frame. Then the daily will, the outlook will, this will be like daily week pullback because the 4 hour or the lower time frame of 15:30 1 hour is getting bullish, and your daily will having a daily week pullback. So once this one shift, we have a bearish engulfing, we have a confirmation that the daily will be having to push down to continue to the downside, and the ending of your daily candle will getting daily week pullback. So that will be my analysis on Euro USD. Once again, you gotta be patient, even though if the of even though if your lower time frame give you a shift of structure and then bearish engulfing what we call your entry signal, the same as like this, you cannot really take the trade. The reason being is because your 4 hour and your daily is not getting in sync. So that will be my analysis in Euro USD. NAS 100, NAS 100. We do have weekly bullish, but the previous candlestick close as a bearish. So what I'm anticipating on this is hopefully 4 hour give us a shift, pull back, and then look for entry around that side. This is the same with S&P 500, the same thing. Weekly bullish, daily bullish, waiting for 4 hour to be bullish and pull back. So GBP AUD, GBP AUD, we are so patient last week on this. So all right, so scenario the same thing once again, ladies and gentlemen. Um, all I need is either um shift, pullback, or give me an indication that this will have a potential higher high, higher low, higher high, shift, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So that will be my outlook for GBP AUD, because I don't like the thing that the daily time frame right here closes bullish engulfing. But yeah, I mean, our analysis, and we are anticipating that this pair will be continue to go to the downside. Euro CHF, Euro CHF, we are testing the previous structure point around this area. We have one, two, three, four support and resistance, key level of area, or what we call area of interest, potato or potato. So daily time frame, we do have this indecision candle. We do have one, two, three, four, and I know in the fact that this one right here is 4 hours got shift of structure already. But once again, ladies and gentlemen, I really need some confirmation that this candle or price action will break and then retest. Then we're gonna continue to go to the downside next week. GBP CAD, GBP CAD. Once again, price action. We do have a bearish. To be honest, GBP CAD is more um, clear rather than GBP AUD. They're both the same movement. But yeah, whatever looks clean, then we're gonna take whatever give us the best opportunity next week. So daily still bullish. So what I'm looking for this one right here is to yeah, this is tricky once again. If the 4 hour give me like indication of same thing, higher high, higher low, higher high, shift, then I will take the trade to the downside. The only thing is the downside for this pair is we got shift already. Yeah. So the thing is, we have an indecision candle. We already know that if we do have an indecision candle, we could um give us a shot to do a counter trade. But once again, we already on the previous there's no space in it to counter trade to be bullish. So yeah, I mean, for this pair, I might just gonna put this one on the down, you know, just you know observe. But once again, if 4 hour give me like a clean shift to go to the downside, then I might gonna take this trade. GBP USD, GU once again, we need a deeper pullback. Daily looking good. We all need to make it sure we're having a rejection candle on the daily as well. And ZDCAD, same thing. We have a pretty nice vision of price action that we are going to the downside. Daily time frame, all we need to wait is to retest the area of interest, and then we will look for an opportunity if this price action will continue to the downside. AUD USD, once again, this is pretty nice as well. Weekly bearish. All I need is to have a retest right here, because this is the we have a shift, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. All I need is to look for potential lower high, then continue to the downside. NZD USD will pretty nice as well. All I need is weekly week pullback. You guys already know that pullback is the daily pullback as well. Then continue to downside. GBP CAD once again. Just gonna observe this. Um, GBP SGD weekly week pullback daily. You see if the daily shift right, then you could look for an opportunity to have the counter trend, then 4 hour. Yeah, yep. Let's do some counter trend next week. But let's say the only thing that I could really do some counter trend is if this one break and then a deeper pullback and then shift of structure, then I might gonna take this trade. But if not, then I'll see you on the area of interest around this area. USD LPN weekly is bearish. This is a counter trend as well. Yeah, shift of structure. Euro SGD waiting for, this is the same with Euro USD, USD SEC. Same thing. We are anticipating that all USD pair will be continue to dominating to be bullish next week. So all I need is to 4 hour to be shipped and then pullback. Euro SUF, pretty nice indication of price action bearish. Daily time frame. All we need to wait is um pullback, then continue to the downside. Once again, thank you for watching the video. Last week we only take two trade, which is uh gold we secure 3%, and I believe let me see if I could spot the one that we took. Yes, I mean last week. And ZDCHF, yeah, this pair dominating, so we secure around 3% as well. So last week we secure around 6%, and hopefully market will give us another profits. All we need to catch is 1 to 2 pairs. That's pretty much it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much, and hopefully you guys have a nice weekend.